Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to mention someone in group chat in WhatsApp. So on your phone, let's open WhatsApp and you want to go to group chat. Now let's type this @ symbol and you will see menu which lists all group members, and you want to scroll to find the person that you want to mention, and then tap on the person and type the rest of your text and then tap send button, and the recipient's name will appear highlighted in green in the chat. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.